students, VBA for beginners, till now I have completed 20 examples and this is the 21st example. So this code, whatever you are seeing in example 21 is, if a message box is displaying yes or no, and then if you are selecting yes, it will give the message, another message, you chose yes. But if you are not choosing yes, but you are selecting no, then it will give the messages, you chose no, like this. So this particular line you are able to see here, this is if message box, do you want to continue? Then VB yes no means this actually is going to display yes also, no also. Two buttons will be there. In this, if you are selecting yes, then this is going to be assigned to yes. Then message box will choose and then say this, you chose yes. This particular text will be displayed. We'll just see here. Otherwise, it will display you chose no. Okay. Only yes and no is there. There are two options. That is why this particular code is written here. Now coming back to the here, I'll just right click here, go to view code, and in this module 2, now I'll just paste it here, which is going to be your example. I'm just giving this single code to give this as a command line, and this command line will not be executed. Okay. Command line will not be executed. So what is this command line about? Example 21, VBA for beginners. Okay. Now we are just going to execute this by running this button. So it has given this message. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? So if I press yes, it will say this, you chose yes. Otherwise, it is going to say no. So only two options are there. Shall we check with by selecting yes? So the message is, another message is coming, you chose yes. Okay, done. Now again, we are running this. So do you want to continue? No. Then it says it, you chose no. So these are the two lines which is executed. Between these, we have this if and end if. Okay. In between, you have else is there. So this is the condition, whatever based on the condition, it will give the answer 1, else the answer 2. Condition is satisfied, it will give the first answer. Otherwise, else will be executed. Thank you. Take care. Bye.